Hi, this is the Java series Part 37. In this session, we will discuss about the method overriding concept in polymorphism. In the last session, we have discussed about what is polymorphism and the compile time polymorphism, that is method overloading concept. Okay, now we will discuss the runtime polymorphism, that is method overriding concept. Here, I have created two classes. Vehicle is my parent class and bike is my child class. Okay, so we already know about the inheritance. Here I have implemented the single type inheritance. Bike is the child class and vehicle is the parent class. Bike inherits all the properties and behaviors from the vehicle. Okay, in between the parent and the child class we have used the extends keyword. Okay, this means this is the single type inheritance. Okay, when a method in a subclass has the same name and the same number of parameters and the same return type as a method in its parent class, then the method in the subclass is said to override the method in the superclass. So, this is the example program for runtime polymorphism. Method overloading is the compile time polymorphism. Okay, so inside the subclass, that is the child class, we have the run method. Okay, inside the parent class, we have the run method. Here, inside the round brackets, there is no parameters. Here also, there is no parameters. And here, the return type is void, and here also the return type is void. So, if we want to implement the method overriding in our program or project, means what are the rules we have to follow? The names of the methods inside the subclass and superclass should be same. And the number of parameters inside the superclass and subclass methods should be same. And the return type of the methods inside the sub and superclass should be same. Okay, so we have to follow these rules. Then only we can implement the method overriding concept. Okay, that is the runtime polymorphism. Okay, so here I have created the main method inside the subclass bike. So we have to give the file name as bike. And here I have created the object for bike, that is the child class. And here I have used the new keyword. New keyword is used to create the memory for this object during the execution of the program, and this is the default constructor. And I have created one more object for the parent class also, but it refers the child class. Okay, so now I call the method using the child class object. So what happens after encounter this line? The control jumps from the 20th line to the 10th line. Actually, inside this bike we have the run method, and inside the vehicle also we have run method. Both the names are same, number of parameters are same. Here there is no parameter, and the return type is also same. The child class run only will be invoked. This method override this method which is present inside the vehicle, that is the parent class. Okay, so this is called the method overriding statement only will be printed on our console. Okay, and object 1.run. Actually here I have created the object for vehicle. Okay, but it refers the child class only. Okay, so what happens? This run only will be executed. This run will not be executed. Okay, because here I have created the object for vehicle, but it refers the child class only. So, if I call the run for this object, again the control jumps from the 21 to 12 only. So, this statement only will be executed on our console. Let me execute this one. So, this is for this statement and this is for this statement. Now I want to call the parent class. Means what I will do? I have to create the object for vehicle class only. Then only I can call the method run which is present inside the vehicle. Let me execute the same again. Here vehicle is running. This is from this run method. Okay. If we implement the method overriding concept, means the method which is present inside the child class override the method which is present in the parent class. Okay, that's why we got bike is running safely for this statement, because this one is the object of bike, that is the child class only. Okay, if I call the run method, means the child class method only will be executed, the parent class run is overridden. Got it? So we have completed the polymorphism types. Runtime polymorphism, compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is the method overloading concept, and runtime polymorphism is the method overriding concept. Okay, I hope you all understand. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.